Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who is living big with less, and today I am doing a quarantine clean with me. I am going to tackle all of the things today. We have just a lot going on. I think that in my mind, I thought quarantine was going to be great and that my house would be really clean and I'd have all this time to clean, but everybody is in quarantine with me, so we've got art projects and kids living here, and so there is lots of jobs to get done. Today, I'm going to start in my bedroom. I'm going to make this bed. I've had some very anxious little people in my world at the moment, so some nights I have let them sort of make a little bed in our bedroom if they were having trouble getting to sleep. So we are all about their mental health above anything else. So we're just making it work, doing what we have to do to keep people upbeat, positive, stress and less. So I have written a list. It's a long list. There's a lot going on here, and I'll show you in a minute what I'm doing. But the thing is, it's achievable to get it back to good. The systems are here, and the systems are here for a time such as this. For a time where your house is getting a workout because everybody's at home. This is where the rubber meets the road, and it's not about whether the messes happen or not, because they inevitably will, whether you have kids or not. We all have messes. It's about how quickly we can get it back to a state that is good and happy and calm and achievable in a small period of time. So guys, I hope that you guys are either cleaning along with me or getting some motivation. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to see more videos like this, and let's get started. I keep this white basket in my closet. That way I can just fold up any blankets that we've used as makeshift beds, and they're easy for the kids to access if they need a blanket anytime, as they're just down on the floor of my wardrobe. I could cry or shout, you will listen either way. And I told you about the full breakdowns that are only mine to talk about. I even told you about the sacred grounds where I washed all the sheets on our bed every week, but occasionally I like to just take off the pillowcases and give them a quick wash, especially if I'm already doing a load of linens that day. See me rise. You've seen me crash and burn and fall. If there is a lot going on in one room, like there was in my room on this day, I like to just pick everything up off the ground and move it to the bed once it's made. That makes it really easy for me to see what needs to leave, and I can take it to where it belongs. And I can also give the floor a full vacuum, and it gets the bedroom back to tidy again. I will love you, I will have your back, as you always have mine. If you guys have been around for any length of time, you will know that I am all about bite-sized cleaning, and this is one of my favorite things to do. I love this attachment on my Dyson. It is absolutely perfect for vacuuming out windowsills. It gets all the dirt and dust that lives in there and lifts it straight out, and it takes like less than 5 minutes to do all the windows in one room, and it makes such a difference. Every bit of pain, so I wanted to say that you'll see me rise. You've seen me crash and burn and fall overboard, and you'll be seeing me rise. On this particular day, I had quite a few loads of laundry, including some linen, so I was just setting the washing machine up to go, and then I just set a little reminder on my watch so that in 30 minutes or an hour, whenever the load is finished, it reminds me to go and get it out, even if I don't hear the machine beep. You've seen me crash and burn and fall over. Guys, I am so sorry about the wobble in this clip. My little apprentice cameraman, who was also a almost 3-year-old toddler, decided to wobble my tripod, but now I'm moving into the kitchen. It wasn't particularly bad on this day, but at the moment when we're at home all the time, I do find that my benches seem to accumulate things that don't belong there. So as always, I'm clearing off my benches and then going to wipe down all the surfaces. I'm always surprised at how fast it is to wipe down all the surfaces, including my cupboards. It never takes me as long as I think it will, and it makes me feel so good to know that absolutely every surface has been wiped down and disinfected.
I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
After I wipe down all the cupboards, I absolutely love these, either a glass cleaning cloth or the car drying cloth from Norwex. It just stops there being any streaky marks left, and I use this cloth almost every single day. It leaves such a nice finish, and it means I don't have to use any chemicals with like alcohol or anything like that. I can just use my vinegar spray and get the same effect.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything.
I don't know about you guys, but since quarantine has started, I have been having to run my dishwasher twice a day. We're just using so many more cups and plates. But one thing I love about my minimalist kitchen is just how quick and easy it is to put stuff away. There's plenty of space, I know where everything goes, and it's a really quick process. I actually break my window cleaning up into just one window every day. So I either do the doors inside and out or the windows. And this just means that I'm constantly working through and getting rid of any marks. Again, I am just using a microfiber cloth with just water and a Norwex drying cloth, and I absolutely love it. It leaves it so clean and crystal clear. Our garage actually acts as also our entryway into our home. It's where we leave all of our shoes and bags, etc. And even though we're not heading out to work or school, this area of our home is still getting a workout because we're going out for bike rides, and obviously the kids are scootering and taking their shoes off. So I'm just giving this area a really quick tidy, and it probably took me less than 10 minutes, and it was all back to good, everything back where it belongs and ready to reset for another day.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you are colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that
I know it seems like a little bit of overkill to be vacuuming our garage, but as this is where all the kids come inside, I find that if I can lift any dirt, it reduces the amount that we get on our floors inside. So once a week or so, I just like to give the garage a quick once over with the vacuum.
Don't let them sell
anyways, I hope you like this video. I would love to chat with you down in the comments. If you're new here, we would absolutely love you to have you subscribe and join our YouTube family. Here are some other videos we think you might like, and I will catch you guys in the next one.